how do I use my cell phone camera for better photography? Again, this really goes back to my first answer. Frame it. Frame it. Frame it properly. It's like, you know, I mean, if you really want like, you know, a better like technical answer, most phone cameras now have manual settings. Learn how to use those because you can actually see how it looks like on your screen as opposed to having an SLR, which is like, all right, what if I set it this way? If I set it this way, and then you take the photo, it doesn't turn out the way you want it to. Definitely, first of all, learn how to frame it. Again, the picture is literally previewed in front of you while you're adjusting your settings, while you're framing it. So it's actually super easy. It's better than most point and shoots now at this point. Like, why would you waste your time and money on a point and shoot when you literally just have your camera?